Hi guys and girls, this is Crystal Kitty here, and today we are playing another episode of, not really, I'm recording another episode of High School Story, and we're playing it right now. We're in the middle of the conversation, and yeah, let's start. And I have done a little bit of stuff up ahead, so what, 50 rings? I'm going to need over 1,000. Yeah, I have Peyton. Okay, so let's just carry on with the story. Okay, so the reason why I've been silent is because if you want to read it yourself, you can just read it without me talking. Okay.
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's my brother. I'm really annoying. He's in one of my videos.
Who is he?
I'm recording.
Alright, mate.
Oh shoot. It's really cold in England.
Yeah, right.
You're such a liar.
It's like 25 million degrees.
That's probably in Africa or America, because
That's nowhere.
only the countries.
That's nowhere. Nowhere's 25 million degrees.
The sun.
Nowhere's 25 million degrees on this planet.
Yeah, but the sun.
No, well, not on this
It's
planet.
over 65 million.
But you said Africa. But Africa's not 25
Uh, if you can hear that, that's my brother vaping. Yeah.
Yawn. Yeah, should have yawned.
He's obsessed with yawning.
Obsessed.
Oh my gosh, look, it just says that. How long is the story? Okay, let's just get it. Ooh, 500. Okay, let's see if we can get as many rings as we can. 1, to buy 2 new All-Stars. 2, because it's one of our quests. 3, because you need it for the photo thingy. Taylor? What the hell is the Taylor? Sorry. Yawn. Just by listening to save me. Yes, yawned.
Now yawn.
If you're listening to this, you better be yawning too. Comment down below if you just yawned.
Yawn.
Yawn. Ha 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 ha. I don't even know what the story is because I'm not even looking at this. Dinner? Yes, 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 yes. You know why? Because I need to get all those books to level up my characters so they can get cool new outfits. Most of my characters are like level. Okay, so let's just carry on. Collect award. I'd like to hang out, read books. I do read books. What is this? I think it's going to Facebook. I don't even have Facebook. That's nice. Oh, I don't even know if I have enough. Wait, I think I've already bought that. Yeah, I've definitely already bought that. Probably not.
Yawning now.
Huh?
Yawning.
Well, I don't have enough. Okay, so let's just get... Okay, so what we'll have to do... Oh, I forgot we had that. Can see it. So what we're going to do is decorate this area. Whoopsies. Okay, that sounded weird. Whoopsies. Dude, sorry. We are going to be making a lovely... We are going to be making a nice little park area. Okay, that didn't turn out right. Dude, sorry, Bangla. I did just come back from Bangladesh, didn't I? Well, 3 days ago I did. Alright. So let's get our little flower beds over here. Let's get our other flower beds. Ooh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so let's move it over here. Let's move the other one over here. Let's move the other one over here. Let's move these trees over here. Are you seriously still yawning?
No.
Oh. Okay.
You're gonna yawn now after you talked about it.
No. This is gonna be like a little concert area. I can't wait to reach that bench. Ooh. Okay, so let's move, rotate. Okay. That one there, another one. Sorry, okay, so that's looking cute. Like a knife. Looking so nice. Looking so nice. Okay. You're a douchebag.
Yeah, douchebag.
You're a douchebag.
Stop yawning then.
No, you stop yawning. Bango better. Ha 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 ha. Alright. I just don't like the shoes and the ripped jeans. Doesn't look nice at all. Okay, cha. Okay, now I hardly have any gold. That's nice. Alright, so I am going to end this video here, so I hope you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment if you liked the video or not, so I will see you later. Bye!